Hey y'all, I'm Polar Bear Ed. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. If y'all been watching the channel for any length of time here the last few weeks, you know I was pretty sick, for a little while. Ate a lot of chicken soup. Of course, it was the canned, and it was just warmed up in the microwave. Well, during that time, I really wanted some chicken and dumplings. Didn't feel like cooking it, so after I got feeling better, I went on the old internet and found the easiest chicken and dumpling recipe I could find. And today, that's what I'm going to be cooking for you. So, y'all sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and I'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. Like I said, this is the easiest, quickest version of chicken and dumplings that I could find on the old internet. So, let's get to cooking. We're going to start out with 3 cans of the pre-cooked chicken breast. You could do your own chicken and shred it and do all that, but we're easy. We're doing easy today. Now we got 3 cans of condensed chicken soup. Cream of chicken soup. And I can't find my small spatula. It has disappeared somewhere. So we're going to do the best we can with our bigger one here. I guess that's good enough. Alright, got that. Now we got a, what is this, a 32 ounce jug of chicken broth. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and see if we can't rinse these cans out a little bit and get all that goodness out of them cans. Yeah, that kind of worked. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Get it all over the top of the stove. Alright, good enough. Then we're just going to dump the rest of this chicken broth in there. Glug, glug, glug. Get all the goodness out of that container. And we're going to give her a stir. Get that all mixed together. And then we're going to turn it on a medium-high heat. Turn the right burner on. Bring it up to a kind of a simmer. Get all that goodness mixed together. And then we'll add our dumplings and finish it off. So let me get this all simmery and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all, got our base kind of all warm and bubbly there, so time to make our dumplings. And for our dumplings, we're just going to use little biscuits here. And this is 2 10-packs. You can use the bigger biscuits because we're going to cut them down. But this is what I picked up at the store. Alright. So, alright, now take our little biscuits here and you want to kind of cut them. Kind of mold them into place. And we got a piece of paper or something in there. Huh. I don't know what that was, but anyways. Alright. Get our biscuits all cut up here. Just want them in like bite-sized pieces here. You know. If you're using the bigger biscuits, of course, you're going to cut them into, you know, more pieces than what I'm cutting these into, because these are the small biscuits. Alright, we got our biscuits all of our dumplings ready to go. And you can see that's still kind of bubbly, so we're just going to drop these in, make sure they're not stuck together. Because if you don't make sure they're not stuck together, you will come up with one big large lump of dumpling. So we're actually going to like basically boil these dumplings until they're cooked through. So alright, got our dumplings in there. Get our towel out of there. I'll kind of stir them up. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. I'm going to throw a lid back on her, and we're going to let it cook for about 15 or 20 minutes. We'll check them, make sure the dumplings are cooked all the way through and not doughy in the middle, and we'll adjust the time from there. So let this cook, and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all, it's been about 15 minutes or so. Let's take the lid off this thing. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think those are going to be done good. Oh, yeah. Ooh, they look delicious, y'all. It smells absolutely phenomenal. Oh, yeah. Alright. Let me shut this off over here and grab a bowl, and we'll get to doing our taste test. Alright, y'all, got my bowl here. We're going to dig some of these dumplings out of here. Oh yeah, we got to get down in here and get some of this broth out of here. Oof. Oof. Oh yeah. Now, y'all, that is awesome. Got our chicken there. I mean, can y'all see that? I mean, look at that. That is beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh. Alright. Okay, let's do our taste test. Alright, y'all. Got our bowl full of goodness here. I'm going to grab me a chunk of the chicken and one of them dumplings. So, alright. Maybe? Alright, there we go. Oh, y'all, that is... Woo, that tastes like Mama make. You know, I'm going to have another bite. Y'all, that's almost as good as Mama made. So, anyways, there you have it. Simple, easy, quick. Like 35 minutes to make it. Good meal for the whole family. There's plenty for leftovers, like me, because it's just me. But if you've got a big family, that's got to make a really good meal, you know. So, all right. Please remember, hit that like button, that little thumbs up, boop, 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 boop. Smash it down. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's 100% totally free. Doesn't cost a dime, but it does help me out. And you'll ring that bell. Get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, at the tractor pulls, or wherever we happen to be doing whatever we happen to be doing. So, anyways, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.